Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your souls, because what you're about to witness is not a car. It's a rolling renaissance, a divine sculpture forged in fire, carbon fiber, and pure Italian madness. This is the Pagani Huayra Codalunga Speedster. And Koenigsegg, Bugatti? You better start sweating, because Pagani just dropped a nuclear design bomb on the hypercar world. Forget lap times, forget Nürburgring records. This isn't about numbers, this is about feelings, about goosebumps, about a machine so jaw-droppingly gorgeous, it makes the Mona Lisa look like a stick figure. The Codalunga Speedster is what happens when Michelangelo, Da Vinci, and a rocket scientist all walk into a garage. It's sensual, it's sinful, it's a rolling opera. Every curve, a masterpiece. Every detail, a symphony of obsession. Just 10 of these celestial chariots will ever exist. And if you blink, they're gone. Slide inside, and welcome to the Sistine Chapel on wheels. It's not just a cabin, it's a cathedral. Modigliani meets modern aerospace. And oh yeah, that gated manual shifter, it clicks like heaven. It sings like angels. And it screams like an AMG-built V12 that just broke out of Valhalla. 864 horses, 811 pound-feet of torque, twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter Fury built by the wizards at Mercedes-AMG, connected to a 7-speed X-Track gearbox that'll either babysit you with an automated manual or slap you in the face with a full-on pure manual experience. This isn't driving, this is poetry in motion, performed at 300 kilometers per hour. And the materials? We're talking Carbo-Titanium and Carbo-Triax. Sounds like science fiction, feels like art, drives like a dream. Carbon ceramic brakes custom built by Brembo, Pirelli Trofeo R tires, and an active suspension system that reads your mind. It's old school beauty meets 21st century sorcery. Each unit is built through a direct dialogue with the owner. No two are alike, no rules, no limits, just pure personalized madness. This is not just a hypercar. This is not just Italian craftsmanship. This is Pagani's soul, poured into metal, leather, and speed. The Huayra Codalunga Speedster is the kind of car that makes you believe in beauty, in art, and in insanity. You don't just drive it, you worship it. Pagani, thank you for reminding us what it means to feel something behind the wheel.